Some of the largest companies in the world use this website to perform various tasks for their business. And we're talking about Field Agent. And this is a great way for you to earn some extra money doing these simple tasks. By using the app, you can gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing opinions, and also completing other tasks. And also many of these tasks can be done doing things that you would be doing anyway, such as taking pictures of marketing materials in stores and also make sure that they're being presented properly. Plus, there are already millions of people making money with Field Agent. This is definitely a legitimate way that you can use to make some money. And the best part about this app is that the app will pay you immediately after you finish the task. And as always, getting started is very easy. All you have to do is download the Field Agent app, reserve and complete a job. And once the job is complete, Field Agent will check your submission. And once your submission is approved, the money will be sent directly to your bank via direct deposit. And people have reported earning from $100 per day to as much as $300 per day for just a few hours worth of tasks. Next